You do not need an institute. You do
Okay.
not need to pay to learn digital marketing. All of it that will be taught to you
Okay.
is available on the internet.
Yeah.
100% free.
Yeah.
ठीक है. सत्तर कुछ ऐसे ईमेल शूट किए थे मैंने when I did not have any digital marketing experience
Okay.
as such,
Okay.
official wala.
Okay.
So at that particular time when I shot the emails to these 50, 70 companies, I simply said I'm a digital asset. I will learn like crazy and I will work like crazy. That was my sales script.
Nice.
Out of those 50, 70, I got replies from 20 to 30 saying come for an interview.
Okay.
I was the one rejecting कि नहीं मैं यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ठीक है ये ठीक ठीक लग रही है इन सबकी वेबसाइट्स देखी एंड ऑल्सो करके आई
Okay.
वेंट टू इंटरव्यू फॉर 5 to 7 places.
Okay.
All 5 to 7 places, this was my standard interview script. Hi, my name is Nimit Khanna. I have been learning digital marketing for the last 4 years. I am currently doing a digital marketing course, and here is what I have done. और उसके मैंने इंटरव्यूअर को बोलने नहीं दिया है किसी भी इंटरव्यू में अपने.
Okay.
एंड आई वाज लाइक ये रही मेरी वेबसाइट, ये देखो मेरी 3 वेबसाइट्स बनाई, इस पे इतना 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 ट्रैफिक लाया, लाइव एनालिटिक्स खोल के दिखाया, ये देखो इतना 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 ट्रैफिक ग्रो किया है, ये मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल, ये मेरा सोशल मीडिया, 8 चैनल्स पे घुसा के मैंने 0 to 6,000 लेके गया ऑर्गेनिकली. एंड दे आर लिस्टिंग. भाई तू कौन है? I mean, I was a kid at that time. I was enjoying that stuff. I did not know कि इस
Exactly.
चीज की value है. But now
Exactly.
looking back, I'm like, oh shit, that thing works. So, and because of that, all those 7 said that we want to hire you.
Yeah.
Now again, it was for me. I was like, ये कम पे कर रहा है, ये कम पे कर रहा है, इसमें travel करना पड़ेगा, कम कम कम. जहाँ पे भी highest salary था, I went over there.
So, hey friends, today we are with Nimit Khannaji, and he is a digital marketing expert, and he will be telling us about what exactly digital marketing is. Plus, he will be guiding us if you want to pursue the career option in digital marketing. So, he will be telling us from where we can do and why you should study digital marketing, because digital marketing is something which I have also done personally, but somehow not in that expertise level that the sir is having. I tell you in beforehand, like sir is having almost 8 years experience, and he's still learning, as he told me, and he also find out 200 plus ways to make money online. So he will be discussing about some of the tips, and he will be guiding us what exactly we can do in digital marketing. So over to you, sir.
Thanks, Manora. Thank you for having me, first of all, on the show. I have been following Help AF due to a student of mine who's
Okay.
working with you.
Okay.
Once I started discovering Help AF, right in front of my eyes, you guys have actually grown the channel a lot. So,
Thank you, sir.
big kudos to you.
Thank you, sir.
Especially, I saw the latest video that you guys have done on that learning platform
Yeah.
where the courses are at really cheap prices. I saw that video.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes.
Good job. You guys are doing a very good job over
Thank you
there.
so much. Thank
Keep
you
it
so much.
up. Manorav, can you? I know we've had this conversation earlier also, but can you tell me and the audience also what does Help AF mean?
Okay.
Because our generation understands AF as you know what it is.
Exactly. Exactly.
So you can you explain that?
Yeah, definitely. Sir, like whenever someone asks me what exactly HelpAF is, I like bluntly say that you might be thinking HelpAF means help as fuck, but it doesn't mean same. It means help as friend. We are helping entrepreneurs, we are helping restaurant people, and plus we are helping institute people to understand and grow their brand. Plus, we are helping our viewers to understand to where to invest money and time in terms of all those services and products they are giving to us.
Great, great. I wanted that understanding on Help AF. So yeah, I hope so. Your audience also gets that deeper understanding on this.
Yeah, yeah.
Great. So a little bit about me. My name is Nimit Khanna. You've already introduced me. Thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
so much for that. Uh, I have been in this industry for the last 8 years, and there are a lot of people in this industry who call themselves as experts. And it is also common understanding that we know when you spend so much time in an industry, you can start assuming yourself as an expert. But
Exactly.
I specifically don't like to be called that particular word. The reason is uh, this is my first hand experience. Digital
Okay.
changes. It is the most evolving skill set that is present out there.
Okay.
Digital marketing has been there from 2007,
Okay. Okay.
but the digital marketing that was happening in 2007 is completely different than what is happening today.
Okay.
It will be there in the next 10 years also, but the way it will be done is be completely different.
Okay.
And when something is constantly changing, how
Exactly.
can you be an expert of that one thing which is constantly changing?
Exactly.
The only thing that there is like, the only thing that makes me someone you can talk to is, uh, because I've spent that much time, I can learn things a little bit quicker. And
Okay.
because of my shorter learning curve, I can help you explain those things much more faster.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So let's say if you want to understand how can data analytics help you in growing digital marketing,
Exactly. Exactly.
or how can these two things be merged together?
Okay.
For you, maybe for you, where digital marketing is something very new. Now I'm also adding a new thing into it called as data analytics,
Exactly.
which is completely different, runs on completely different
Mhm.
language platform, all of that.
Mhm.
But because I've been in this industry and I've been learning a lot myself as well, I can actually guide you on that part. So
Yeah.
the right way of, like, I would like to introduce it as someone who is a little bit ahead of you and
Yeah.
can help you bridge the distance.
Okay.
So some things about me.
Okay. Nice. Nice. It was totally nice of you, like you explain yourself so much, and you also introduced something new, that is data science. So can you tell us
Yeah.
what exactly like is like data science and digital marketing related to?
Okay. So digital marketing, we'll start with the very basics. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If you have a product,
Hmm.
business,
Hmm.
idea,
Okay.
information,
Okay.
expertise in anything, okay,
Okay.
you have a message that you want to deliver. When you deliver that message
Hmm.
via the mediums present and connected to the internet,
Okay.
in simple terms, this is basically called as digital marketing,
Digital marketing.
right?
Yeah.
If you take out all of this, you have been consuming marketing no matter what age group you are.
Hmm.
If you are, a school kid, you
Hmm.
are watching cartoons on TV,
Yeah.
and during those cartoons, you're seeing ads. There
Okay.
is an ad of Kinder Joy or other products and brands.
Hmm.
Those are brands that have a message and they want to reach out to you. They
Okay.
reach out to you to those places where you're actually present and
Okay.
your attention is present.
Okay.
So this happens via the offline mediums.
Okay.
The
Okay.
good part with digital is, on offline the data is not that much present. You cannot measure your success.
Hmm.
On digital you can do all the measurement. You can
Exactly.
actually figure out what is working, what is not working.
Okay.
Am I
Okay.
going in a good direction or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is digital when we talk about this.
Yeah.
Data analytics is a part which comes in the world of data. It's a very different thing though.
Hmm.
Okay. The simple part is the modern day business. If I talk about bigger businesses, if I'm talking about Indian unicorns, if I'm talking about other bigger law firms that I talk about, right?
Hmm.
They
Okay.
have gigabytes, petabytes of data.
Hmm.
By that data, I mean Excel sheet data,
Okay.
name, email, phone number, purchase behavior, this
Okay.
kind of data. All
Okay.
of this is data, right? And it's at a humongous level.
Okay.
We used to think that having a 1 terabyte of hard disk and making it full with all the movies and TV series and all of that was a big thing.
Yeah.
And these data are so huge that one terabyte of hard disk can actually be filled in with only Excel files.
Okay. Okay.
That is how much of a data there
Okay.
exists in the world.
Okay.
Now, if I just tell you, if I talk in, let's say, in your language, you want to learn digital marketing, and I am just telling you there are 5,000 institutes. You go to institute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm just giving you information.
Okay. Okay.
That is data for you. That
Okay.
data has absolute zero meaning for you. कि भाई
Okay.
मैं अब क्या करूँ इतने सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स का, कहाँ जाऊँ मैं पढ़ने के लिए?
Yeah.
But then out of that data, you can derive insight by actually going and talking to the people in the. I'm just trying to relate it with the real life example,
Okay.
right? So in that condition, this is something also what you do. You go and talk to other institutes, you talk to
Exactly.
other people, and you try to figure out what is good happening over there.
Okay.
And that is what you bring to your audience, right?
Exactly.
So, out of that data, which causes so much of chaos, you're creating order
Mm.
and you're making choices easy for your end audience.
Okay. Yeah.
This is what data analytics does.
Okay.
If a law firm has to file a lawsuit against a chicken farming company where they formed a cartel, so let's say big chicken companies formed a cartel in order to inflate the prices of the eggs from
Yeah.
4 rupees to 6 rupees,
Exactly.
right? And the end customer is bearing the brunt of it.
Yeah.
Someone finds a PIL कि मैं 6 रुपए नहीं दूंगा अंडे के, उसके
Okay.
बेसिस पे लॉसूट शुरू होता है,
Yeah.
where now in order to prove this they have to prove that a cartel was formed.
Uh,
They have to have all that data, and
mm,
if they're able to prove it that this was happening, because after analyzing years of sales data
mm.
at a human level this will take a lot of time. I mean, like a lot of time.
Yeah.
So you've got all these tools, you've got SQL, you've got Python, you use all these tools in which you embed all of this data, you push all these Excel files, and then you start creating sense out of it, you start creating trends out of it,
Okay.
graphs, visualization.
Okay. Okay.
Because of this you're able to come to a conclusion
Okay.
that yes, we were being carteled out. Like
Okay.
there were companies who were driving the prices up. We have proven that they are guilty. Get the price back down.
Mm.
This is a small use case example,
Okay.
but at the back end, there is a huge application that is there,
Okay.
right? So, just one
If,
example on this.
so, sir, if a student is like already completed the digital marketing course, so like,
Mhm.
do you suggest him to do data science also?
Okay. Honestly speaking, I am not the right person to give you that advice, but
Okay.
जितना मुझे पता है, I'll share it with you. ठीक है?
Okay.
Um, if you are a kind of person who likes numbers, who
Yeah.
loves to dig into numbers, and analytics is your thing,
Mm.
go for it.
Okay.
Okay. You have to be fairly comfortable with a little bit of coding and logic. There is
Okay.
no hardcore coding as such, but there is a little bit of logic creation.
Okay.
That if A condition happens, then we have to do B. If C condition happens, do D. Pick
Okay.
up data from XYZ place and place it to ABC place.
Okay.
These kind of things. If
Okay.
you're
Okay.
good at this,
Okay.
and if you really want to become good at it, you have to have a maths background,
Okay.
statistics and maths background.
Mhm.
This basically helps in a data science area.
Okay.
So
Okay.
from data analytics, you shift to the data science, and that is where this helps again.
Okay. Okay.
How this helps in digital marketing? It helps at a little advanced level. So
Okay.
let's say you are working in a company
Mm.
where you're handling their digital marketing campaigns on Google AdWords, on Facebook, and obviously since the company is paying you and on the ad revenue, they want you to get a higher ROI.
Yeah.
Like let's say if they are giving you a salary of 40K
Yeah.
and they are giving an ad spends of 1 lakh on a monthly basis, so the company is spending kind of 1.4 lakh on a monthly basis,
Yeah.
and if they're not able to generate at least let's say 14 lakhs out of it as a revenue to the company, it is useless for them, you
Exactly.
know.
Yeah.
So if let's say after invest from a company's perspective, after investing 14 lakhs on a month, 1.4
But
lakhs on a monthly basis, you with your skills are able to generate them. Oh, sir, see, I got you 4 lakhs of sale.
mm,
For you as a digital marketer, as a fresher or as a first time thing, hey, I run Facebook ads and I got really a lot of ROI. Yay, I'm champ.
yeah.
But from a company perspective, you're shit because you're not making them profit.
Exactly. Exactly.
So, in order to do that, you need to optimize campaigns, a lot of it. You need to optimize that.
Mm.
And there is only so much optimization you can do manually,
Mm.
right? In order to do that, you need to really dive into the data. You need to go into nitty gritties of the data.
Okay.
And one account, 1 lakh budget, easily doable manually.
Okay.
One single person can do it. Now imagine it tenfolds. The budgets that you're handling, daily budgets of 10 lakh,
Yeah.
of daily budgets, the accounts that you're handling, 20, 30, 50 accounts, that is what you're handling.
Yeah.
Humanly, it's not possible.
Okay.
Either you will increase your costs by bringing in more people,
Yeah.
bringing in a bigger team, or the smarter way would be you learn a new tool that can cut down all that cost. Where you
Okay.
just feed, your job is to take all of that data, feed into an algorithm that you create or a logic that you create. That data churns out everything and gives you decisions. Do
Okay.
this, 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 this.
Okay.
That is how you merge data analytics into digital marketing.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's a very advanced level step. For the beginners, I think so. The first thing would be learning digital marketing,
Hmm.
learning how to produce that data, learning how to analyze that data at a very basic level, and learning how to actually get those results.
Yeah.
कि
Exactly.
1.4 लाख डाल के 4 लाख निकालना कैसे है.
Exactly.
So it's a bigger journey. I'm showing you a very advanced level of things.
Hmm. Okay.
That.
So, sir, like my next question is that novel, like totally basic. If a person wants to initiate with digital marketing, so
Hmm.
what things he should look after it? Like what
Okay.
things he should like research out before entering any institute or any like taking a part from the mentor.
Okay. Okay. Um, this is what I say to a lot of my existing students also. You do not need an institute. You do
Okay.
not need to pay to learn digital marketing. All of it that will be taught to you
Okay.
is available on the internet,
Yeah.
100% free.
Yeah.
Okay. What students pay for, this
Hmm.
is what they need to understand when they get into an institute or they hire a coach or a mentor or anyone. What they're paying for is their experience.
Okay.
The learning that can happen for them can happen themselves also, but it will take a very long time.
Long time.
They'll make a lot of mistakes, they'll get caught up in small things which
Yeah.
they'll have to figure out themselves, right? This is the kind of journey that I had to go through. It's
Hmm.
a very painful journey where you invest 5 hours of your day just figuring out how to connect a domain to a hosting. It's a simple process of name server updation and your website starts working.
Yeah.
It takes 20 minutes if you know exactly what you're doing.
Okay.
But when you don't know and you're not confident about कि मैं ये बटन दबा के कुछ फट तो नहीं जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा, तो it takes a lot of courage, effort, time. ठीक है? All of this again is available on the internet. It's there on YouTube.
Yeah.
You can watch those videos, follow it step by step. But this will happen. This
Okay.
happens to me. This might have happened to you. This happens to everyone.
Hmm.
You watch an instructional video. Either maybe the video is a little bit older, that the dashboard is completely changed now.
Yeah.
कि वो बता रहे हैं फेसबुक में क्रिएट कैंपेन का बटन ग्रीन है,
Yeah.
लेकिन तुम्हारे डैशबोर्ड में ब्लू है. तो तुम
Exactly.
ग्रीन ही बटन ढूंढ रहे हो, नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें.
Exactly. Exactly.
So these are very minor things that people get stuck on.
Hmm.
If you're comfortable taking this journey of self discovery, self worth discovery, and all of that,
Okay.
go ahead with discovering it on your own. The
Okay.
simple steps for these kind of category of audience is try building up a website. Step number one is build up a website. Get a
Okay.
domain, get a hosting, build up a website using WordPress. Simple
Okay.
stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Try putting in 3 to 4 blogs and try to rank those blogs for certain keywords using
Okay.
concepts of SEO.
Hmm.
There is a free guide that Google gives. You can search for search engine optimization guide by Google.
Yeah.
If you're not able to find it, my Instagram handle is Coach Nimit Khanna. You can
Yeah.
actually come to my Instagram page. I have a post put it exactly showing where to go and how to find it.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead, read that free ebook or the guide that they have and follow along those instructions.
Okay.
You have to follow along those instructions in order to get your website ranking higher. Okay. Step 2 is getting a website ranking higher.
Yeah.
Step 3, start social media handles in the name of your website. So
Okay.
if the name of the website is helpaf.com,
Hmm.
start social media handles in the name of HelpAF Facebook, HelpAF Instagram, HelpAF Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, uh, all the social media handles that you can think of.
Okay.
And the success of कि कैसे कहो कि मुझे social media आ गया is by growing your follower base.
Yeah.
One. Second, by increasing your engagement rate.
Okay.
That the number of people that are liking, commenting, sharing on your social media platform. This proves two things to you.
Yeah.
Thing number one, that I can build up a bigger audience on social media in a given time frame,
Okay.
which is an example for you. So, Manora, when did you guys start Help AF? What
Uh,
date,
six,
time, year?
6 to 5 months back.
In 5 months, you have gone from zero YouTube subscribers to 1.5k,
Yeah,
or is it now 2k?
it's almost about 2K.
You will be reaching 2k before the end of this month, right?
You can say that.
Very nice. You should be very proud of yourself. You
Okay.
should be extremely proud of yourself on this particular thing. You've done this all by yourself.
Okay.
Very good thing, first of all,
Okay.
right? This proves to you, this gives you much more confidence that
Okay.
yes, I know my stuff.
Yeah.
I can grow my YouTube channel. If I can grow one YouTube channel, I can grow any YouTube channel
And YouTube channel.
because now I understand the basics of it. Okay? This is what I'm also telling to the other people.
Okay.
फेसबुक पे पेज लाइक्स बढ़ा सकते हो, एक पेज के बढ़ा सकते हो, बाकियों के भी बढ़ा सकते हो.
Yeah.
ठीक है. इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलोअर बेस बढ़ा सकते हो, एक का बढ़ा सकते हो, सबका बढ़ा सकते हो.
Covered.
Works everywhere. The same concept is true everywhere. ठीक है. Now the second thing is engagement on the content. Taking your example again, what you should be looking is the number of people who watch your video. What is the retention time? So if you're doing a video of 10 minutes,
10 minutes.
is example,
Two
is
to
the
three.
retention time 6 minutes, 7 minutes?
Yeah.
If that is the case, then you're doing a fantastic job.
Okay.
Okay? If it is below 50%,
Yeah.
there is a scope of improvement.
Okay.
What
Okay.
this means is that your content needs to be much more engaging, much more interesting. It needs to
Okay.
hook people.
Okay.
And you have not figured out that stuff. अगर 50% से नीचे है तो,
Okay.
ऊपर है बहुत सही जा रहे हो.
Okay.
ठीक है. That is what happened on social media also. You put an Instagram post, even though your followers are 20, but the likes, comment, share on your post is 500.
Yeah.
There are accounts like that.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And they're using a lot of those techniques of hashtag promotion, outreach on Instagram, shout outs, a lot of those things, story based promotions. So they know how to make their content engaging.
Yeah.
Right? Two skills for social media: follower growth and engagement.
Okay.
Once we're done with social media, the third thing that we shift to is basically paid ads, Facebook and Google.
Okay.
This is subject to the pocket that you have, or the amount of money that you're willing to just burn away.
Okay.
You will not get anything on the very 2, 5, 10,000 that you'll spend. ठीक है. दिमाग में मान के चलो ये चीज, कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. ठीक है. But anyway, still run it.
Yeah.
So you do that, and then the final stage is analytics, where you actually put the Google Analytics code on your website,
Website.
and you look at all the data.
Okay.
Where are people coming from? Who is coming onto my website? What are the actions that they're performing? All of that stuff.
Okay.
Okay. This thing that I just told you in a structured format, you can do this all by yourself
Okay.
as someone who wants to get into digital marketing.
Okay.
But just listening to all of this might look that this is so much of work.
Yeah.
That is where an easier thing comes is that you maybe join an institute, or you look for someone who has more experience into digital and you work under them,
Okay.
under their guidance or something like that. Okay, where they keep on giving you bite-sized work, and wherever you are stuck, they will help you to come over that particular thing.
Okay. Like if a person wants to start digital marketing via institute or by himself, so is it possible ki like would that particular person get expertise in all the fields like SEO, website designing, social media marketing, social media handling, all the stuff, or just he can be a player of one thing as per your experience?
Both the things are possible. However, what I've personally seen
Okay.
is not everyone takes a liking to all the modules present in digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the trends that I'm seeing these days is a lot of people are very much attracted to social media
Yeah.
and running Facebook ads and other kinds of advertisement based things.
Mhm.
One, because the jobs are very lucrative. Two, social media gets instant results. Plus,
Okay.
we've been using social media on a regular basis, so we feel much more friendlier.
Okay. Okay.
But when it comes to a little more technical things, so let's say WordPress website design and development, SEO, Google AdWords,
Yeah.
this is a much more technical, data-driven thing. So
Okay.
people who are attracted to this will put in everything that they've got. But not everyone does that.
Okay.
So even this is something that we've seen while delivering a lot of training,
Yeah.
that when we're delivering a lot of SEO training, we give basic homework so that hands-on training goes on. Not many of them do it.
Okay.
But when we do it for social media, the percentage of homework completion increases a lot. So this is just a simple thing that we've seen so far.
Okay. And in spite of like social media, you're talking about the website designing and the SEO part. There are some myths and all that SEO is also having technical part. Like, is it
Yeah.
actual a myth, or is it like just a we can do it normal way also?
So okay, SEO has three major parts.
Okay.
Okay, it's got on-page SEO,
Okay.
which has a subpart called as technical SEO.
Okay.
Technical SEO is where you actually get into a lot of coding,
Okay.
where you need to compress the CSS. You need to do that for JavaScripts. Yeah, you need to play with a little bit of code.
Okay.
What we learn in the regular courses,
Yeah.
just because we don't know what the background is of the child, so to standardize everything, we do everything on WordPress.
Yeah.
And all these technical SEO things and all of it can be done on WordPress with the use of a plugin.
Mm.
One or two plugins and things are done.
Yeah.
So technical SEO is kind of not touched
Okay.
for the end student.
Okay.
But in real life, when you deal in jobs, when you go out there, you pick up freelancing projects and you deal with real business people, okay, they don't know what are these basics. So
Yeah.
you need to first educate them. In order to educate them, you need to be educated about it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now the second biggest challenge that all these freshers face is, हमने तो एसईओ वर्डप्रेस पे पढ़ा था, अभी एचटीएमएल में कैसे करें?
सही बात.
ये तो वेबसाइट किसी की एंगुलर में बनी है, किसी की पता नहीं पीएचपी पे हार्ड कोडेड है अलग से. How do we do SEO on this?
Exactly.
So in these conditions, you will have to work with the developer. As an SEO, your job will become then to give suggestions.
Okay.
Even if it's technical, you give suggestions.
Okay.
Okay? And then you work with the developer in order to get those things out.
Hmm.
So that is how things work.
But the mechanism remains same, na? That like we
Yes, the
follow in the
blueprint,
Yoast plugin.
yeah. Whatever you do with the Yoast plugin, the basic mechanism is the same.
Okay.
You just do it on an HTML now and you do it now manually with the help of a developer. You
Yeah.
tell them कि यहाँ पे title tag ये डालो, अब यहाँ पे H1 tag ये डालो,
Okay.
यहाँ पे bold करो इस चीज को, bold tag डालो, इस
Okay.
type से.
Okay. Okay.
That is how it will go.
Okay. Answer one more thing, like talking about the complete SEO thing. You told us about two types of SEO, like only one type. First, on page. Second is I am telling you off page. What is the third one?
So that when I just said technical, so technical is considered something very different. Though it's part of on-page SEO only,
Yeah.
but it is treated as a separate thing. There
Okay.
is local SEO also.
Yeah.
So just to give you an example for this, when Corona wasn't there, I'm talking about 1.5 year back. I was training one of the classes, and we were doing SEO module. uh, Local SEO is taken in the last of it, always, where you do talk about Google Maps and all.
Mhm.
There was a small idea that I gave to one of the students, and of the entire batch, only that one student implemented it.
Okay.
Because of that one thing, he was able to generate approximately 50,000 in his first month.
Nice.
What is the simple idea? Simple idea. Lots of restaurants are out there.
Yeah.
CP area, Delhi area, anywhere in Delhi, there are a lot of local businesses
Okay.
and they don't know anything about digital marketing.
Okay.
Okay. What is a simple thing that I recommended this person was that you go out there, start talking to these local business owners, pick up a type. So let's say pick up dentists only, pick up some clinics only, pick
Hmm.
up only restaurants,
Yeah.
specific type of restaurant that you will do only Chinese. Pick up a niche.
Okay.
small
Okay.
niche, and
Okay.
only reach out to these people
Okay.
and say you will do local listing SEO for them.
Okay.
Now, local listing SEO, why I recommended it? It is lesser effort,
Yeah.
very little effort.
Okay.
You do maybe 1 hour on a daily basis maximum if that is what you want to do, or even if 3 to 4 hours on a weekly basis, it will start delivering a result in a 1 month's time frame.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since the work is little, you can charge little for it,
Yeah.
and businesses are very happy giving little money.
Exactly.
कि 500 1000 1500 रुपए में मेरा काम हो जाएगा, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. उनको लगता है मेरी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हो रही है, एंड दे आर टेलिंग टू एवरीवन, अरे मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करा रहा हूँ 1500 रुपए में. And the student is also happy, they are getting real life practical exposure. They
Exactly.
are learning how to do BD, how to do sales, how to close a client, and the practical execution of SEO also.
Local SEO.
Yeah. So one student implemented it. उसने 1000 से 5000 के बीच में अपनी सर्विसेज बेची, एंड इन अ मंथ्स टाइम फ्रेम अपने लोकल एरिया के सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स को पकड़ के उसने लोकल एसईओ किया उनका.
Okay.
गूगल माई बिजनेस पे जीमेल अकाउंट बना के
Okay.
उसने गूगल माई बिजनेस बना के दिया, उन्हीं की फोटोज लेके उसे अपलोड किया, टाइटल वाइटल डिस्क्रिप्शन डिस्क्रिप्शन वो सब भर दिया,
Okay.
डन, ओवर, दे दिया, हैंड ओवर. This process for one business takes 1 hour maximum.
1 hour.
It's a
Even less
maximum
than
1 hour
that
job.
also. Even less than that also. Yeah.
I am saying slow internet connection है, slow computer है,
Okay. Okay.
इसके साथ साथ,
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है.
तब तो सर
So
1 hour भी बहुत कम है.
so a 1 hour thing, and on a monthly basis when he was able to do it, at the end of it he was able to generate around 50K. I mean, he was so happy कि सर मेरा काम हो गया, मेरा काम हो गया, मेरी फीस निकल गई. And it's a very big achievement. कॉलेज के बच्चे के 50,000 रुपए महीने का कमाना, it's a big thing.
Big achievement. Yeah.
Oh,
Exactly.
and simple stuff, no rocket science,
No.
nothing.
Exactly.
That
Amazing.
is the power. That is the power of digital marketing. There are very simple things that you can do, and using those simple things, you can actually produce decent amount of cash.
Okay. Okay.
That.
Yeah. And sir, what about the jobs and salary perspective if a person is looking only for job perspective? Like he's doing the course for the
Alright.
job perspective only.
Okay. From a fresher's perspective, when you actually go out as a fresher, every different kind of module has a different job. So if you want to apply only as a social media person,
Yeah.
there is a different job profile. As an SEO person, different job profile.
Okay.
As a content person, different job profile. Right? Initially, if you go to any of the regular fields of digital marketing,
Yeah.
as a fresher, you will be picked up somewhere around at 15K. This is your average starting salary.
Okay.
ठीक है?
15. Okay.
As a fresher.
Okay.
They will basically try to look for what is things that you have done.
Okay.
Now the thing with digital is
Mhm.
the businesses, when you go and sit for the job, ठीक है, गूगल का सर्टिफिकेशन जिस इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़ा उसका सर्टिफिकेशन लुक गुड ऑन योर रेज्यूमे. It's good to boost your own ego.
Yeah.
But if I am a business owner and I have to hire you,
Yeah.
I will look at your resume. It's a good thing for you to get me to an interview.
Yeah.
You and me sitting in an interview. Good thing.
Exactly.
बस खत्म. उसके
Exactly.
बाद खत्म सर्टिफिकेशन. उसके बाद I'm asking you questions like this. Manorav, tell me what are the results you've produced so far.
Okay.
And then when you go ahead and say, ki, sir, I created a YouTube channel which I've taken from 0 to 2K subscribers in less than 6 months. That is when you've hooked me. Like,
Yeah.
I want this guy now.
Okay. Nice.
You directly start your conversation like regular job interviews kaise hota hai? Tell me about yourself, and you're like, hi, my name is Manorav, I have done so and so studies from so and so college, and I did so and so course from so and so place, this is where I studied, and I'm bored. Like भाई नहीं इंटरेस्ट है तेरे में ये सब सुनने का,
Exactly.
नाम बताओ काम बता आगे.
Exactly. Because
Getting
these
it?
people are like oriented for the like they're hiring you for the result. कि अगर हम
Exactly.
कंपनी में लेंगे तो हमें इससे क्या फायदा मिलेगा?
Exactly.
Yeah.
How
And
do
that's why
you
they're
add
paying us.
value to the company?
Yeah.
True. You will always get paid for the kind of value you bring to the organization. That is how things work.
Exactly.
So this is a simple thing.
Yeah.
Freshers can also earn a higher amount.
Okay.
possible है, ठीक है. However, they just have to prove that they are worth the skill and they're worth that money.
Okay.
So, for example, um, I'm talking about 2014. 2014.
Okay.
I did my digital marketing का course. In the very first month of my course, I applied to 100 approx नहीं ज़्यादा बोल दिया, 70 कुछ ऐसे email shoot किए थे मैंने, when I did not have any digital marketing experience
Okay.
as such,
Okay.
official wala.
Okay.
So at that particular time when I shot the emails to these 50, 70 companies, I simply said I'm a digital asset. I will learn like crazy and I will work like crazy. That was my sales script.
Nice.
Out of those 50, 70, I got replies from 20 to 30 saying come for an interview.
Okay.
I was the one rejecting कि नहीं मैं यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा, यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा, यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा, यहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा. And then I was like ठीक है, ये ठीक ठीक लग रही है, इन सब की वेबसाइट्स देखी and also करके I
Okay.
went to interview for 5 to 7 places.
Okay.
All 5 to 7 places, this was my standard interview script. Hi, my name is Nimit Khanna. I have been learning digital marketing for the last 4 years. I am currently doing a digital marketing course and here is what I have done. और उसके मैंने इंटरव्यूअर को बोलने नहीं दिया है किसी भी इंटरव्यू में अपने.
Okay.
एंड आई वाज लाइक ये रही मेरी वेबसाइट, ये देखो मेरी 3 वेबसाइट बनाई, इस पे इतना 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 ट्रैफिक लाया, लाइव एनालिटिक्स खोल के दिखाया, ये देखो इतना 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 ट्रैफिक ग्रो किया है, ये मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल, ये मेरा सोशल मीडिया, 8 चैनल्स पे घुसा के मैंने 0 to 6,000 लिखे गया ऑर्गेनिकली एंड दे आर लिस्टिंग. भाई तू कौन है? I mean, I was a kid at that time. I was enjoying that stuff. I did not know कि
Exactly.
इसकी value है. But now
Exactly.
looking back, I'm like, oh shit, that thing works. So, and because of that, all those 7 said that we want to hire you.
Yeah.
Now again, it was for me. I was like, ये कम पे कर रहा है, ये कम पे कर रहा है, इसमें travel करना पड़ेगा, कम. जहाँ पे भी highest salary था, I went over there. And आज की स्टार्टिंग सैलरी 15,000 रुपए है. आज से 4-5 साल पहले 2014 is what now 6 years back. 6 years back my starting salary was 14,500. ऊपर से
Okay.
BYOD अलग मिलता था, bring your
Okay.
own device.
Okay.
2,500-3,000 रुपए समथिंग अलग से और मिलता था.
Gotcha.
So this is what I'm trying to show you. उस टाइम के स्टैंडर्ड्स के हिसाब से I was getting very high paid.
Okay.
So that way.
Okay. Nice.
Getting, and मैं सिर्फ 1 महीना था डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स का. The only thing that got me a good or higher paying job was me showing so much results.
Okay. And
मेरे पास रिजल्ट्स से कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था.
नहीं सर, कॉन्फिडेंस आपने शो कर दिया ना अपने रिजल्ट्स के थ्रू. मतलब
कॉन्फिडेंस की मुझे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सच में आती है. जैसे मैं आज भी बोलता हूँ ना, मुझे ये बोलने में बहुत सच में आज भी बहुत डर लगता है कि नहीं मुझे सच में आती है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग.
okay. Okay.
That
Yeah, and just like everything is fine, like you told us your experience. But as a fresher, if a person comes to join a digital marketing institute or he starts his career in digital marketing, so major confusion is to find niche. I feel so. एक particularly niche को ढूंढने में बहुत बच्चे को टाइम लगता है. Even मैं अभी तक नहीं ढूंढ पाया, सच्ची बताऊं. I'm still exploring. 3 years हो चुके हैं, and I have created website. I have like bring revenue of 10 lakh rupees in just like 1 year without sales, like without
wow,
without any paid advertisement. Just creating a website.
wow,
Thank you so much, sir. And rest
that is
of
awesome.
myself, I have learned a lot. And frankly speaking, I feel कि मुझे हमेशा like सीखने का पैसा मिला है, हमेशा. तो मुझे ना
Very good mindset.
सीखने की ललक बहुत ज्यादा है. बट यहाँ पर कंफ्यूजन यहाँ पर ये आती है कि आपकी एक नीश सिलेक्शन जब तक नहीं होगी तब तक आप उस चीज के अंदर एक्सेल नहीं कर पाओ. So relating to me only, can you tell me like what is the better niche for me and for the student who are like pursuing, like about to pursue digital marketing?
Niche आप 2 टाइप से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो.
Okay.
One is the topic with which you want to move ahead. ठीक है? Topic, like for example, your topic is human to human interaction based videos, kind of interview based content. You're using subject matter experts of certain areas, going interviewing them, and that is what you're producing. That's your topic. Okay, I think so. This niche is really good.
Okay.
It's very scalable. You
Okay.
can go into any domain. Your
Yeah.
name is kick-ass. You
Yeah.
can put in anything. You can come and bring this into a digital thing. You can also turn this into only a restaurant ka review wala YouTube channel also.
Yeah. Yeah.
It could
Exactly.
be anything. Help here.
Okay.
बहुत common generic है. A very good thing. The other type of niche is platform centric. कि मैं
Okay.
सिर्फ इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करूंगा और मेरी सारी रोजी रोटी इसी प्लेटफॉर्म से निकलेगी.
Okay.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैरी मिनाटी इज ओनली यूट्यूब.
Okay.
कैरी मिनाटी का टॉपिक नीश इज गेमिंग.
Yeah.
ठीक है, उसका नीश प्लेटफॉर्म इज यूट्यूब.
Okay.
He might be there on other platform also, but he's famous only on one platform.
Yeah. Exactly. True.
ठीक है, everything, the entire brand Carrie Minati lives on YouTube.
Exactly. True.
That is what truly a niche means.
Okay.
ठीक है, at a human level, you will never be able to dominate all the social media platforms or all the platforms altogether.
Okay.
So niche selection can happen in two ways.
Yeah.
One is you select your topic, the other is you select your platform.
Okay.
ठीक है, platform selection can be a bit of more easier thing. What happens is the difficult side is getting the topic is selected. What is my topic? Should
Exactly.
I do dogs? Should I do I don't know, Amazon affiliate? उसके
Yeah.
अंदर भी क्या? Should I do watches, smart watches, smartphone? Should I get into tech? What should I get into?
Exactly.
ठीक
Yeah.
है. This is this one session that I have for a few weeks with all of my very first batches that I always start. Okay, where we go into very much detail and extensive talks कि भाई तुम्हें पसंद क्या है, तुम कौन हो, तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगता है, ऐसी क्या चीजें हैं जिसके बारे में you can talk about all day long.
Yeah.
ठीक है, some those basic questions, we do a lot of brainstorming. People are recommending each other that we're talking to you, we're getting this kind of vibes and that stuff.
Okay.
Okay, it's not an absolute science, but it's a good enough thing that the people that I've worked with so far, they're happy working on those lines till the end of those 4 months, 3 months, whatever time we work with together.
Okay.
Okay, it is very important to pick up a niche as a topic. Okay, when you're actually starting out your digital marketing journey, because this keeps you focused on one thing.
Okay.
Else you'll be like ये भी अच्छा, ये भी अच्छा, ये भी अच्छा, ये भी अच्छा, and you will never be able to start and get anything done.
Yeah.
पॉइंट है सीखने का कि एक टॉपिक पे एक प्लेटफॉर्म कैसे काम करता है. एक बारी एक टॉपिक पे एक प्लेटफॉर्म बेसिक समझ में आ गया, फिर आप प्लेटफॉर्म लेवल पे डाइव मार सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन बिकम एक्सपर्ट ऑफ दैट प्लेटफॉर्म.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
दैट वे.
Okay.
ठीक है, gaming is a niche, so if you're a really good gamer, like the first thing that happens in Counter Strike, or sorry, पुराने examples है Counter Strike, PUBG आ गया है. So the first thing that you enter PUBG and you do headshots,
Yeah.
and if 500 किलोमीटर दूर सब headshots ले रहे हो, that is the kind of person you are. Go ahead man, YouTube live streaming is your thing.
Exactly.
Get it there, monetize your YouTube channel, and YouTube comments के अंदर donations मांगो लोगों से कि पैसा दो भाई headshot मारेगा.
Okay.
ऐसा ये हमारे क्लासेस में लाइव हुआ है.
Okay.
कुछ लोगों व्हाट्सएप का नंबर डाल दिया था, पेटीएम का नंबर डाल दिया था उस पे, एंड पेटीएम पे पैसे आ रहे थे. हेडशॉट मारा, पेटीएम पे पैसा है 50 रुपए 80 रुपए ऐसे.
Okay.
पॉइंट इज कॉन्सेप्ट हैज टू वर्क. You
Yeah.
can make millions and billions out of it later on, but the concept has to work.
Exactly.
Concept work.
Yeah. And so now talking about you like you told me like before the call also, like you find 200 plus ways to make money online. Just like you told us right now only that Paytm का number डाल दिया 80 रुपए आ रहे हैं 50 रुपए आ रहे हैं. That is something different. But आपके according आपका best only 2 या 1 एक ऐसा तरीका जिसके थ्रू आपने मनी मेकिंग किया हो ऑनलाइन.
YouTube. YouTube has been my love.
Okay.
This was the first thing where I made a very decent amount of cash. Why YouTube? कोई डिपेंडेंसी नहीं है, वेबसाइट नहीं बनानी, बहुत सारे दुनिया जहान के और पचड़े नहीं करने. एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ, फटाफट वीडियो बनाओ, ठां डालो और उस पे एसईओ करो, एंड यू आर डन विद इट.
Exactly.
ठीक है. Obviously there are a lot of other processes also, but you're focused on one platform.
Yeah. Yeah.
And gives you good results. Instant result दिखता है, ऐसे दिखता है result. ठीक है.
Okay.
What we did is, I joined the course, I don't know which month, but we started working in September on this project. हर साल यूएस के अंदर एक चीज होता है विच इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लैक फ्राइडे.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्लैक फ्राइडे 2014.
Okay.
2014 का तो ब्लैक फ्राइडे था. उसके अंदर एक्चुअली डिस्काउंट्स होते हैं. बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स के बहुत डिस्काउंट्स आते हैं.
Okay.
The only thing we did is we opened up a YouTube channel. We created hell lot of videos in a very small span of time, targeting those keywords जिसका हमें पता था कि सिर्फ एक महीने के लिए पीक ऊपर जाएगा.
Okay.
हम लोगों ने वो वीडियोस क्रिएट किए, डाला उसको वहाँ पे, उसका प्रॉपर एसईओ किया, बैकलिंक्स बनाए, वीडियो के ऊपर बैकलिंक्स बनाए,
Okay.
वो चीजें सारी करी. एंड आवर वीडियोस वर रैंकिंग ऑन टॉप फॉर ऑल द मेजर क्वेरीज. दे वर रैंकिंग ऑन टॉप.
Okay.
ठीक है. एक महीने के अंदर माय वन चैनल हैड, ओवरऑल चैनल हैड 60 to 70,000 व्यूज टोटल. सब्सक्राइबर 100-150 होंगे, ज्यादा नहीं, but 60 to 70,000 views. Now since we were kids at that time and we were learning, so the only way we knew to monetize was YouTube AdSense. Posted AdSense पे होता है. ठीक है. अब तो वो मुश्किल हो गया मिलना, उस समय इतने रूल्स नहीं थे. So we did that and the amount of money we were able to make is approximately $500.
Oh, nice.
ऐसा.
Nice. Amazing.
तो वो एक महीने में $500 निकाले एज अ राइट आउट ऑफ कॉलेज काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. दो पहले भी छोटा क्या था कि सर्वेस करे थे बहुत सारे, तो $70-80 ऐसे निकल गए थे. वो होते हैं कि बैठ के वेबसाइट होते हैं कि आप उस पर लिंक क्लिक करो तो $0.0001 मिलेगा. वो ऐसे भी करके $25 कमाए मैंने. So that is why I'm telling her, tried a lot of shit. Bitcoins अब लोगों को बहुत पता है, पिछले 2-3 सालों से लोगों को बहुत पता है. Me and a friend of mine, we got हवा of Bitcoin in 2013 और 14.
Okay.
2009 में आ गया था, but 13-14 में इंडिया में बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता था.
Okay.
We got a हवा of Bitcoin. We did a lot of research on it. हमने उस टाइम पे बिटकॉइन की माइनिंग करी.
Okay.
हमने अपने लैपटॉप्स पे, कंप्यूटर्स पे उस समय बिटकॉइन की माइनिंग करी और हम लोगों ने 4 बिटकॉइंस कमाए थे उस समय. एंड वो फिर टाइम वेंट ऑन, वो चीजें पड़ी रह गई एंड इट्स देयर. आई हैव काइंड ऑफ लॉस्ट दोस 4 बिटकॉइंस. इट्स समवेयर देयर बट आई हैव काइंड ऑफ लॉस्ट. वेयर इज द वॉलेट का यूजर नेम पासवर्ड क्या था, सब भूल गया.
Okay.
But I have them. So what I'm saying is these things are available. Do that which makes you feel good,
Okay.
which makes you feel interested.
Yeah.
Do those kind of things.
Okay. Nice. Sir, one more question. Like this question is something sort of जो मैं पूछने में like insulting feel कर रहा हूँ, but somehow I want to know the perspective of yours कि certificates के लिए कितनी अहमियत आपके according है?
Okay. When we talk about certificates, there are 2 types. One is that you get from these brands. Google का certificate है, AdWords का, Analytics का, HubSpot के certifications हैं. ठीक है, ये सारे certifications हैं. Certification का जो basically पूरा market है, this is from those people जिनको सच में digital marketing का context नहीं पता है.
Okay.
HR people do not understand digital marketing.
Okay.
HR people, how HR works is they have certain parameters.
Okay.
They will look for certain parameters in anyone's profile.
Okay.
If they have those parameters, they will invite for an interview.
Yeah.
That is why it said certificates will help you get inside an interview.
Okay.
They will help you get a call.
Yeah.
Now सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेट के बेसिस पे तुम्हारी जॉब लग सकती है, क्यों नहीं लग सकती? मैं उसका एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ. गूगल के सारे टेस्ट आप चीटिंग करके दे सकते हो. Easily. और आराम से पास हो सकते हो. 98% आते हैं लोगों के चीटिंग करके. So it's all available on the internet. All the answers are available. ठीक है. HubSpot फ्री है, जितनी बारी फेल हो जाओ फिर से अटेम्प्ट कर लो. So अगर एक टेस्ट को तुम ऐसे मतलब इतना गिरा रखा है टेस्ट की वैल्यू, कितना ही अटेम्प्ट करी जाओ उसको, तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक अगर मैं बैठूंगा हायरिंग के लिए, मुझे पता अगर गूगल एडवर्ड्स का सर्टिफिकेशन है तो हाँ भाई बहुत अच्छी बात है, अब तू सच में आंसर का क्वेश्चन दे, क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे सर
करके दिखाओ.
एग्जैक्टली. आता कितना, सच में कितना आता है? बातें करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Exactly. सच में कितना आता है?
Yeah. True.
That gives the confidence to the hiring people also.
Okay.
Certifications की value ये है, ये बाहर वाले कि they will
Okay.
get you inside. Now if you've actually studied and given the certification, तो obviously interview में तो help हो ही रहा है, but जब आप सच में interview में बैठोगे तो वो knowledge आपको boost देगी बहुत ज्यादा, confidence देगी आपको बहुत ज्यादा.
Okay.
But अगर cheating करके किया है तो आपको confidence नहीं आएगा उतना.
Exactly.
That's the only difference. ठीक है. अब आते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट का सर्टिफिकेशन.
Yeah.
ठीक है. What any institute certification signifies is that this person has spent 2 months, 3 months, whatever is the time frame in
Yeah.
learning,
Okay.
and there is kind of an assumption कि कुछ practical hands-on किया होगा. ठीक है.
Okay.
फिर से इंस्टीट्यूट की सर्टिफिकेशन और गूगल के सर्टिफिकेशन से आप इंटरव्यू में तो बैठ सकते हो, लेकिन उसके बाद उसे कैसे क्रैक करते हो दैट इज कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर प्रैक्टिकल हैंड्स ऑन नॉलेज.
True. True. True.
अगर अच्छी कंपनीज में जाना है जहाँ पे सच में अच्छा काम होता है,
Okay.
ठीक है, these companies will grill you down. They will grill you down to the last bit of your knowledge.
Okay.
And some seriously good people will ask you some serious good questions.
Okay.
You will be like, ये मेरे को आता है बस मैं बता नहीं पा रहा इसको, and that is how you will feel when it's
Yeah.
really challenging for you. But
Exactly.
then you'll still figure out something.
Okay.
ठीक है. There are a lot of companies that are doing bulk वाला काम
Okay.
कि फर्क क्वालिटी से फर्क नहीं है, बस हमें भीड़ बढ़ानी है
Yeah.
कि बस लोग आ जाएंगे, कॉलिंग के लिए दे देंगे, तुम कॉल करो, क्लाइंट क्लोज करो, प्रेजेंटेशन बनानी आनी चाहिए और वो कर दो.
Okay.
उसमें आपकी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी एज अ डिजिटल मार्केटर.
Okay.
You'll become a good manager, account manager, all of that.
Yeah.
You will always say कि मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री में ही हूँ, लेकिन अगर किसी पढ़े लिखे इंसान ने आपसे 4 सवाल पूछ लिया तो आप कुछ बता नहीं पाओगे.
Exactly.
ये प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Yeah. And so one more thing, like after doing the complete course and after getting those certificates also, like how we should refresh our knowledge again and again. Because उस टाइम हमारे पास इंस्टीट्यूट का सपोर्ट होता है, टीचर्स का सपोर्ट होता है, मेंटोर्स का सपोर्ट होता है. But after few years, you can say that they might be not connected to us. तो हम अपनी नॉलेज को रिफ्रेश कैसे करें?
दो चीजें हैं. एक तो कुछ इंडस्ट्री के स्टैंडर्ड ब्लॉग्स हैं, उनको फॉलो करो. जब आप खुद अपने आप को अपडेटेड रखते हो विद न्यू थिंग, आपका मन करता है पढ़ के कि ये जो बंदा बोल रहा है क्या सच है.
Okay.
अगर नील पटेल ने बोला है ब्रोकन बैक लिंकिंग, ब्रोकन लिंक बिल्डिंग का अप्रोच है, इसको फॉलो करो.
Yeah.
ठीक है. इट इज वर्किंग फ्रॉम हिम, ही इज शोइंग द रिजल्ट्स कि देखो ये करके अथॉरिटी बढ़ गई, मेरा ट्रैफिक ऊपर बढ़ गया, आई एम रिच.
Yeah.
ठीक है. बट इज इट वर्किंग फॉर मी?
Okay.
तो वो पढ़ के दैट inquisitiveness comes inside me, and then I will also give it a shot. Up, there are only two things that can happen. Either the results will come, जो बताया, not that much, but something of it.
Okay.
Or I will actually learn कि ये process कैसे हो रहा है, अगर उतना result नहीं आएगा तो. So this is one thing. Again, practical execution.
Okay.
You have to stay on the ground always, and you
Okay.
have to keep working.
Cool.
जहाँ काम करना छोड़ दिया, डिजिटल छूट जाएगी.
Okay.
सिंपल सी चीज है.
Definitely.
ठीक है.
Definitely.
So this is one thing, and the second thing is जो भी प्रोजेक्ट आपने अपने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के टाइम पे शुरू किया है,
Okay.
90% of all of my students, this is not just me, this is with all my fellow trainers also, सबने यही देखा. सबके प्रोजेक्ट शुरू होते हैं, कोर्स तक चलता है, कोर्स के बाद सब लोग छोड़ देते हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करना.
Okay.
जो भी वेबसाइट बनाई, जो भी यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया, जो भी सोशल मीडिया बनाया, जो भी ब्लॉग बनाया, कंटेंट लिखा, सब बंद हो जाता है.
Okay.
एक प्लान ऑफ एक्शन ऐसा सेट करो कि मुझे लेट्स से आई वुड से इफ यू आर एबल टू हिट 10,000 का ट्रैफिक ऑन योर वेबसाइट फ्रॉम ऑल द सोर्सेज,
Okay.
फेसबुक, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन, पिंटरेस्ट, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, वेबसाइट एसईओ, ऑल ऑफ दिस थिंग, आई वुड कंसीडर यू एन एक्सपर्ट.
Okay.
एनीवन. आप
Okay.
किसी भी मतलब किसी भी या सारों से भी अगर आप 10-10 हजार का ट्रैफिक जनरेट कर सकते हो इन अ 1 month टाइम फ्रेम, यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट.
Okay.
दैट इज एक वो सेल्फ वर्थ के लिए इट्स अ यार्ड स्टिक.
Okay. Checkpoint, you can say that.
या
Okay.
सो वंस यू आर डन विद योर कोर्सेज, कीप दिस एज अ गोल कि नाउ आई नीड टू गेट टू 10,000.
Okay. Okay. That's
ठीक
all,
है,
sir. Thank you so much giving your
ग्रेट
time,
या
and I
ग्रेट,
hope
इट वाज
like
प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू।
thank you so much, Saika. And sir, I hope ki, like viewers should also get knowledge about from our talk, and they will definitely think about. Or now I feel like if they are thinking, then they will definitely surely go on into this complete digital marketing career, and things like will go wonder and wonder. And if you find any difficulties or if you found any problems, so you can contact him because he has already mentioned his Instagram account. That is
कोच निमित खन्ना।
Coach Nimit Khanna. So that means नाम में ही coach है. So he is ready to guide you. So let's join our hands and like let's go ahead because digital marketing is something जिसके अंदर हमें सब लोगों की हेल्प चाहिए ही होती है ग्रो करने के लिए बिकॉज जितने भी सब्सक्राइबर्स अभी तक हम लोगों ने गेन करे हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं एक तरीके से हमारे नेटवर्क का पार्ट होते हैं एंड इस नेटवर्क को मेंटेन करने के लिए हमें अपने हाथ जोड़ने पड़ते हैं सब लोगों के साथ तो माइट भी हो सकता है कि जस्ट लाइक आई एम हेल्पिंग निमित सर इज हेल्पिंग मी और जिस तरीके से हेल्प है आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आप लोगों की ग्रोथ में हेल्प कर रहा है तो इस चीज को मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा एंड आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं इसी बात पे अगर हम हमारे चैनल पे नए
एब्सोल्युटली,
हैं और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप लाइक भी कर सकते हैं थैंक यू सो मच
लाइक हिज वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू हिज चैनल, पुट अ कमेंट बिलो। नीचे आप लोगों को जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं इसी वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट करो, हम लोग उन सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने की कोशिश करेंगे। हेल्प एफ का खुद का इंस्टाग्राम चैनल हैंडल है, क्या हैंडल है भाई?
हेल्प एफ ऑफिशियल
Help AF official.
या
Go check that out definitely. I am present at Coach Nimit Khanna on Instagram. I also have a website called as nimitkhanna.com. So it's a very simple stuff. You can go check that out. If you have any questions, you can email it to me also at asknimitkhanna@gmail.com.
ओके
Manorav, if you can be very helpful and you can just put these three things in your YouTube ka niche description area, so
डेफिनेटली
people can just copy paste and do stuff because you know how viewers are alsi.
Yes, definitely. I will be doing that for everyone so that they could like access you easily, reach to you easily. Yeah.
ठीक है, done. चलो,
Okay.
have a great day. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.